We're here to provide to 4 primary schools about 400 pairs of shoes to enhance the dignity of the kids so that they can be able to walk, succeed in their lives as they attend the classes. And this gesture has been enabled by the gracious will of the correctional services officials, the sports councils that have donated to the kids in the area because of their need for school shoes and for the area which is very needy, particularly the schools which are situated in a very affluent areas, but the schools themselves are of kids of working class. So that is what has touched the correctional services officials to come and give dignity to the young kids in the area. I want to first thank the principals and the Department of Education for allowing us to come here and participate in this initiative of donating the shoes. I also want to thank Liberty for joining hands with us and the employees of correctional services to make this dream a reality. And also the employees of correctional services for taking the little that they have for an initiative to donate these shoes. I must say that this is not state money. They take it out of their pockets. It's their kids' money too. But they are saying they are making this contribution to you as the most blessed, privileged, to make a contribution that you must be able to walk, you must be able to attend school with the dignity. Njengabantwana abancane, in winter or in summer, in difficult weather conditions and in good weather conditions. Ukuthi nizokhona ukuthi nizofunda, participate and build a good future for our country. Because through you we see the breaking down of racial divisions. What for us here is just to say we have brought this gift to all the schools. May this gift enable your bright future as you walk around the school premises. May your future be brighter and brighter than myself and the regional commissioner and many others. So here we need to see wonders. You are now competing with kids across the globe in Tokyo and all over the world. So and I hope that you will put them into very good use.
Apha nobulela ndibulelela abantwana baseKhayamandi Primary School ngezihlangu abazinikiweyo apha. Ndithi bantwana bam ezo zihlangu nizinxibe nihambe isikolo njengoba benisenza ningabuyi mva.
I just want to thank the minister for his kind gesture of giving the children a lot of shoes for free, because there aren't really children who can afford a lot of shoes. So thank you, Minister.